In this lesson, we are going to see how to design a photovoltaic system from a PDF file that was sent by the architect. So go to the menu and click on 2D graphics, then on raster image. So then you can click and select from file. So now you can choose the PDF file given by the architect. The PDF, the working drawing, need to be scaled. So I know that this distance is 13 meters, so I write. Now I have to design the photovoltaic plant on these 4 inclined surfaces. So I need to quickly design the plan because the architect needs to have technical and economic reports. So what I have to do, click into the menu and then go to the command inclined surface here. So you can click on the first point and select the reference area. So then you can click on finish. So now we are in the editor. So I can select the effective area for the photovoltaic system. And then I find the second area directly in the editor. And the third inclined surfaces. So I'm going now also to set the inclination of the surface. So what I have to do, I choose the slope line for the first roof. So P1 and P2 vertex, and then I write 25% of inclination. I can do the same thing for the second one. So again, P1 and P2 vertex, and then I can choose the inclination again. And I'm doing the same for all the others. So what I'm doing, I am moving the points and I'm assigning the inclination. If we go in the 3D window, we can see the model and the inclination of all surface. Same stuff for the last inclined surface. I can also zoom to find the correct point. And then the P1 point, the P2 point, and then I select the 20% of inclination. So done this operation, I can finally design the photovoltaic field. I select the first surface and I go to the wizard. We define the module's power to 300 watt. This is the prescription we have from maybe the architect. And we can choose the modules of design. So now we find the necessary numbers of modules and we have to design 3.6 kilowatts of power. So as you see, now we obtain all modules positioned. But second surface has different location of modules because it was differently modeled. So if we are in this situation, we can click on the surface and go in the editor again. We choose the reference module and we can manually increase the numbers of modules. But now we automatically find modules outside the area. So to move them, I select one of the module, then you right click and choose View in plant. So now I see the site plan. Here we find the shift command. So with shift command, I can select all modules together and I can move them where I want. But I'm moving the element in the site plan. So if I click on the 3D view, I find an incorrect location. So to vertically move the modules, click on this command here on the upper toolbar. I'm locking the vertical movement with this command, so I can move quickly this reference point. And then, as you see, I can move the element up and down. And so I can move up and correctly locate all modules. So in this lesson, we also saw how to translate an element through a vertical line. But what's happened in the site plan? I correctly modeled the plant. So I quickly designed the plant as the architect asked me, thanks to a PDF file.